Androcles and the Lion. Once, there was a slave named Androcles. He ran away from his master and fled to the forest. While walking around, he came upon a lion crying with pain. He was afraid, but the lion did not chase him. He turned back and went towards it. As Androcles came near, he saw that the lion's paw was hurt. He found that a huge thorn got stuck into the lion's paw and was causing all the pain. He pulled out the thorn and dressed the lion's paw. Soon, the lion got better. It licked the hand of Androcles like a pet dog. Unluckily, Androcles was put in jail again after some days. He was taken into the middle of a big arena. A hungry lion was let loose from its cage. It rushed roaring towards Androcles. The cruel emperor and his courtiers were watching this show. As soon as the lion came near Androcles, it licked his hands. It was the same lion that Androcles had taken care of. Vidal. Androcles then told the emperor the whole story. The emperor was impressed and Androcles was forgiven and set free.